So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So आज के इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे टॉप 5 ऑक्सीजन रिलीज प्लांट। तो इस समय चल रहा है हमारे इंडिया में कोरोना। तो अब हम कोरोना से जीतना है तो चाहिए हमें ऑक्सीजन और हमें प्लांट्स लेते हैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऑक्सीजन। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। सो फर्स्ट is snake plant. So snake plant is our number first, which is a best air purification plant till now. And the second plant is spider plant. It is also very useful and it also produces many pups which again grow into a big mother plant of snake. So it's look like this. And the next is snow bush plant, which is very a beautiful plant. And this is a snow bush plant. And next goes to money plant, and I have a lot of money plants. And this money plant is look like this. It grow very well. And next is aloe vera plant, which is very good and a air purification plant. It has also very medicine properties. So the aloe vera plant like this. And I hope you have enjoyed the video. So thanks for watching. And if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.